This video will show you how to replace the rear seat heater switch on a Chrysler Town & Country. You'll have two of these, one along each side of the vehicle, attached to your rear sliding door panel. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate the seat heater switch on your rear sliding door panel. We're going to start removing this from the door panel. Keep in mind there is an electrical connector behind this area. Now to remove this, typically I would want to use a plastic trim tool, but you may find that it's difficult to make your way in between the switch panel and the actual door panel itself. If that's the case, you can use a small pocket screwdriver to help this along. I'm just going to carefully make my way in between. We'll gently start separating just enough that I can continue on with my plastic trim tool. I don't want to cause any damage here. Just go ahead and pull that out of place. Now that I have it removed, let's continue on to our electrical connector. As far as this electrical connector, we do have one locking tab, so I'm going to squeeze it in and we'll pull this out of place. Of course, a quick inspection for corrosion on both ends. That looks good. And there it is, friend. Let's prepare to install that rear seat heater switch. We're going to take this, bring it over towards our wiring harness. We have our locking tab. We'll make sure it's aligned, press it in. Listen for an audible click, give it a tug, make sure it's secured in place. Now let's go ahead and attach that switch into the door panel here. We're just going to align it in the proper placement and we're going to press it in. Now while I press it in, I'm just confirming that I'm properly seated all the way around. We do not want this coming out while we're driving down the road. The next thing we need to do is put the key in the on position and test the functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.